nice facility to practice at because we have this amazing pool. It's huge. We have the ability for long course 50 meter and short course 25 yard.
We work closely with the City of Sacramento to design this aquatic center. We worked as a collaborative team to figure out what our school's needs were and what their parks and recreation needs were for their programs.
Practice here helps me become a better swimmer because the facility here is really like ones that you would find in the pools where you swim in the higher levels of swimming.
We have competitive swim teams, we have the intercom swim team and water polo team working out here, and then we have a lot of adult and early swim recreation. So everybody, all ages, is benefiting from this community endeavor.
It's also a lot better because we have so many lanes in this new pool, and so people are able to space out more and we're able to get the space to swim and race without worrying into bumping into other people.
We have 20 lanes, so we have quite a bit of space to practice out, so you can be more accurately with people in your speed.
And so it's bringing a lot of commerce to Natomas as a whole. There's more hotels here, there's more restaurants. It's benefiting the entire community to have this special feature.